How to make yourself loved. We might as well admit it bluntly. We all want to be loved, and those who claim otherwise are surely not telling the truth. For psychologist William James, the desire to be appreciated is essential in human beings and necessary for their development and balance. Be natural, and you will surely achieve your goals. If, on the other hand, you persist in trying to make yourself loved, you will not succeed. Instead, try to be among those who are said to have charm, that they have a little something, that they are attractive, and you will definitely be on the right track. Be aware, however, that no matter how popular you are, you will never be loved by everyone. I can never stress enough the importance of knowing how to be loved. It is an essential step to experience joy and success. It is neither pride nor presumption. The importance of maintaining normal and satisfying relationships with others, even if they are inseparable from success, goes far beyond these considerations. The feeling of rejection has frankly devastating effects on human beings who need to feel wanted and appreciated to fully flourish. Nothing is more painful than loneliness. Often people who isolate themselves do so to protect themselves, but in doing so they close themselves off from all kinds of enriching experiences. Human beings need to feel important in the eyes of their fellow human beings. Their well-being is at stake. The feeling of being useless breeds frustration, bitterness, and illness. If you find yourself in this situation, react as quickly as possible. Your physical and mental health depends on it. I remember a conversation one day in the office of a multinational company. The man I had come to see was busy on the phone. I had in front of me his father, the founder of the company, now retired. "Why don't you write a book on the art of retirement?" he told me. I thought that being freed from my responsibilities would do me the greatest good, but I find it difficult to see that people are no longer interested in me. My son replaced me and did a very good job. Nothing to say about that. I just wish I was still needed. All these people suffer from not being appreciated and no longer being useful, and indifference does not only hurt retirees. A 21-year-old girl confided to me that she had felt rejected since her earliest childhood. She had developed a feeling of inferiority which made her shy and fearful. She suffered from loneliness and felt a great emotional lack. She had completely changed her state of mind and freed herself from her old behaviors to finally feel accepted and desired, become popular. Many people don't know what it means to be popular, loved and admired, and it's often not for lack of trying. Far from it. Popularity, however, is within everyone's reach if you know how to do it. You must first be simple, outgoing, natural, and spontaneous. Not only will this make you attractive, but you will create a climate of confidence and well-being around you. People like people who make them feel comfortable and tend to avoid closed or difficult people. Generally, a simple and comfortable person is generous and open, while narrow-minded and jealous people are grumpy and touchy. Christianity, for its part, claims that the possession of a single virtue can conquer the hearts of others. It's charity. If you cultivate this quality, perhaps you will acquire all the others naturally. If you are one of those people who feel uncomfortable around you, it would be good for you to self-analyze. What you especially need to avoid is blaming others, because it is you who are certainly the architect of your unpopularity. To recognize your wrongs and remedy them, you first need a good dose of honesty. Often your negative sides have been acquired over the years. They served as your defense or were there since your early childhood. Whatever it is possible to get rid of it with the help of a competent therapist and the sincere desire to get out of it. To get people to like us, we just have to like them. He who adopts an attitude of love sees people blossom in his presence like flowers in the sun. Some will object that it is impossible to love everyone. It is true that there are natural and spontaneous affinities and antipathies, but each of us nevertheless contains qualities that are just waiting to be discovered. A man confided to me how he had managed to get rid of the hatred he had towards certain people around him. He made a list of those he hated the most and made a complete inventory of their respective qualities. He found himself finding so many good qualities in the individuals he thought he hated that he wondered how he had come to find them so detestable. Of course, while he was making this discovery, others were doing the same with him. Each thus rose in the esteem of the other. If you are one of those who have never experienced a truly satisfying relationship, don't let yourself get discouraged. It is possible to change all of this. With sustained efforts, you too can experience popularity, recognition, and esteem from others. The first thing to do is to get rid of this habit inherent in human nature, which consists of maintaining one's mistakes and obeying the same compulsive behavior throughout one's life. Get rid of your propensity to ruin relationships and instead cultivate your power to build lasting, rewarding friendships. Another way to attract people's sympathy is to give them importance. Human beings all seek recognition. If you respect and value them, they will appreciate it and seek your company. On the other hand, if you put them down, it is unlikely that they will like and appreciate you. You never know how much a derogatory remark can hurt someone. We must therefore be careful never to diminish anyone. The fundamental principles of the art of being loved are so simple that they do not require lengthy explanations. However, here are 10 rules that, if you follow them, will help you gain people's respect and never feel alone again. 1. Learn to remember the names of people around you. An oversight on your part can offend more than one person. 2. Be an easy person to be around, who puts people at ease. 3. Be relaxed, calm and collected. 4. Don't be egocentric. 5. Don't give the impression of knowing everything. Stay modest. 6. Cultivate the art of being interesting so that people seek your company. 7. Eliminate all irritating aspects of your personality. Dispel any past or present misunderstandings. Do not harbor grudges. 8. Work hard to love your neighbor until it becomes a habit. 9. Never miss an opportunity to congratulate someone on a success or sympathize with their suffering. 10. Have a rich spiritual life and use it to help people face life better. You will receive in return a sincere and deep friendship.